Assalamualaikum and welcome to everyone. Today we are going to learn two fundamental concepts in Python. What Python is and how to use variables. We will then apply them to solve a real life problem that is on my screen. So basically the first question is, what is Python? Python is a beginner friendly programming language used for website data analysis and other applications as etc. And then moving toward variables on Python. So basically in programming, variable is like a container that saves data, its values for next using. For example, we can store a number, a name or a result in a variable. So basically to create a variable in Python, we simply give it a name and assign it a value using the equal signs. I will explain it on later example. So the problem is the study hours counter. So in it said, a student studies a certain number of hours every day. We need to calculate the total study hours over 5 days. That is the main problem. So solve this. So for example, if a student studies 3 hours per day, the total for 5 days is 15 hours. Simply by using Python, we will assign first select variables and then assigning value to the variables as seen it. So there are mainly 3 variables. Hours per day, it will be equal to 0. It's mean that the null value in the variable is stored. The second variable and the third variable. The next step is assigning value to the variable. So by assigning value to the variable, we will apply arithmetic rule using variables. That is, total study hours is equal to hours per day, that is 3, and then multiply it to the total days, that is already 5. So the output will be 15. And it explains that how variables and basic arithmetics work together in Python. This small example, it shows how we can turn a real life situation into code. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe. So thank you for watching this video. Hope it may be helpful for future solving problems.